Welcome back, everybody, to the greatest show on earth, the Miami Boat Ramps. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, along with our boy Wavy Boats. It's another Wavy Guru production down here at 79th Street in Miami. Today we got Arturo behind the sticks getting us the images. And it looks like we might have our first captain who's trying to get himself into a little bit of trouble today. He's not even paying attention. Oh, did he catch it? Is he going to stop it? Oh, he didn't even have to go for the grab. He was able to hold that one back. That was close for a minute, man. I thought they were going to have to push off there, but apparently he caught it last second and was just able to do it under power. It's really easy sometimes, you know, after a long day out on the water, somebody's getting the truck and you just kind of lose track and not pay attention. You're just ready to get this thing done. Cap, look in the wrong direction, buddy. Be paying attention to the dock. See if wifey's going to go for the grab here. Oh no, she's going to toss the line. They're just going to let somebody right off the dock help them. There you go. This cap's getting lucky. Oh, nope, not in gear. Oh. That was close right there. Oh, wife is not happy. They hit the dock there, and now wife's double checking it out. Actually, this is funny. She's kind of looking at the guys at the dock like, hey, we just hit the dock, and this is your fault. I don't think these guys are even with them, and she's kind of giving them that dirty look. We'll see here in a second if she cares. If she cares, she's going to get off the dock, and she's going to go down there and look at that. Oh, first thing she's doing, checking it out. Oh, she's mad. These guys are looking pretty good. We got a couple pole checks. Who's got the lines, though? Nobody's got any lines out here. I don't know that doesn't make any sense. I mean, and nobody even grabbed the pole. We're not doing anything. Oh, no, backs. Oh, right into the dock. And they just look like, oh, there's a dock there, huh? Yeah, now we got the pole grab. But there's still nobody's got any lines. What are they doing here? This is Cap's fault, man. You got to have your crew ready on this one. My crew, I'd be giving them directions right way before we got to the dock. He's not even, still nobody's got lines. The lines are even on the other side. Yeah, Cap, this one's your fault, buddy. I mean, this is something sometimes we often forget as captains, that we've got to give this crew direction as to what we need and where we need assistance, especially if we're behind the wheel and we need lines or bumpers out. I mean, or fenders, excuse me. Everybody always yells at me when I call them bumpers, but that's on you, Captain, to get that ready, or to at least give the instructions to get it started. We got one of our 79th Street docking pros giving lessons over here on how to launch the boat. As you can tell with that perfect straight back end that this guy's pretty good at it. Probably looked at his friend who's sitting over here on the dock and said, "Don't worry, I got this. I've done this 1,000 times." I mean, I guess he does have it. Obviously, the boat's in the water, and it looks like his boy who's over here on the dock is going to be able to get this one pulled over to the dock. But man, that was a pretty shaky little job down there. But hey, you know what, man? Whatever you got to do to get in the water sometimes. Sometimes, you know, we'll take it however we can get it. The old drain plug. At least they remembered it. The only way this one could have been better is if they just started backing down and, you know, had to pull back out on that one. But this one's going to be a little interesting because things didn't look too sharp even just getting the boat to this point. Let's see how this one actually goes. I got a feeling we're about to see the old 79th Street wobble go on. Yeah, standing right behind the trailer is not a good idea, as obviously this person cannot see you. And here we go. We got the hand signal help, but it's a little late on this one, buddy. Yeah, we're going to have to realign that one. I've mentioned this in another video before. The fun part to this one, at least always gives me the good chuckle, is knowing that the guy who's down here on the dock actually has to be worse at trailering a boat than the person who's actually up here doing the 79th Street wobble now. And we're going to see the full wobble this time as we go back and forth. Because if he was the better person to back the trailer up, he'd be the one in the truck. But yeah, no, 79th Street wobble, man. We see it all the time. Usually we see it down on 8 with the jet skis, but you know, every once in a while we see these people coming with the boat having to do the whole back and forth the whole way thing. They're actually, it looks like they're gonna get it in this time, though. You know, we're seeing a lot of this today. However we got to get in the water is what we got to do to get it done. And why is this person trying to get out of the vehicle while they're still backing up? Oh man, some people, you'll never understand exactly what goes on down at the boat ramp unless you just come down here and watch. But feel free anytime you guys want, come on down and join us down here. And here's another one of our 79th Street pros that are backing up these jet skis. Man, we're seeing a bunch of these today, guys. Tell you what, we don't see this much of this stuff over at Black Point. I really do. I prefer this ramp. I'm going to have to fight with Wavy and Mike and Arturo about this one, man. We're going to have to focus more down here for sure. But these guys, everybody, it's like beginner's day out down here every weekend. which is just, it's great. It makes for great content for you guys. Yeah, that was the, hold on, guys. I got you. I got this one this time. I got it. And he may very well have it this time. Here we go. We're going to get these skis in the water. Get these young gentlemen on their way down to the sandbar. Oh, even the nice brake tap to try and help back them off a little bit. And sandbar, here they come. Every time I see one of these guys standing on the front of a boat like this, I'm always just waiting for them to go in. And we have not had our first swimmer yet today. Maybe this could be it. Maybe we're going to get lucky, guys, and we're going to get our first person in the water today. I mean, I don't really wish that. I don't want to see any harm come to anybody, but, you know, these are just flat surfaces up here. If there's a little bit of water, I mean, it's pretty easy to slip on these things. And if our captain, who already looks a little nervous, decides he wants to just nudge the throttle a little bit, somebody can easily get jerked off. Oh, we're going for the leap. Did we got to... Oh my gosh, we were so close. But that wasn't going to be a swimmer. That was going to be worse. That was going to be a faceplant. And being honest, I don't really want to see any faceplants on this channel. Not onto the dock. That's just not going to be fun, guys. But that was pretty close, man. He almost ate it on that one. All right, so somebody's going to have to explain this one to me. Every day at the boat ramp down here, there's multiple people actually, with U-Haul pickup trucks. Do people just buy boats in Miami or jet skis in Miami and then just never buy a tow vehicle, and we just decide we're going to pay the $19 every one time we want to tow it down to the ramp to go rent the U-Haul truck? Typically, like at my boat ramp, if I see this is really, truly, as we mentioned earlier, beginner's day out. You know, they decided they're just going to do it for the day. And here we go, guys. He's trying to get this one on the trailer. This is actually a bad idea right here. If you look at these two jet skis up front, obviously this guy, he's in too deep, so the jet ski's not really sitting on the bunks. But these two people who are putting their hands in between the jet ski, especially the girl in the back, if this guy hits the throttle and it smacks into that jet ski, she's probably going to break a hand or a finger. I mean, the last thing you really want to do is get your hand in between any parts of two vessels, because things can go wrong pretty quickly. I never thought I was going to be a fan of green boats. No, don't do that. Why would you put your keys in your mouth and then hang over the water? I mean, that was just a disaster waiting to happen. I mean, that could have slipped out and keys would have been down for the count, man. But as I was mentioned, I've not been a fan of green boats, but this is the second green boat I've seen down here at 79th that actually kind of like the color. I mean, maybe the next boat will be green now. Man, these guys are coming in a little hot here around the dock. And they've missed. Current's pulling the other way. Is he going to go for the leap of faith? It appears so. Ooh, this one's always tricky too, because right here he doesn't really have a whole lot of a heel edge to grab there. Is he going to go for it? Do we get our first swimmer of the night? Oh, no we don't. Man, no swimmers today. Well, I guess we can't win them all. I think we're going to end this. It's starting to get dark on us, guys. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, be sure to check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all this epic footage down at Haulover Inlet and assists us in getting this footage down here at the boat ramps as well. And my channel, Broncos Guru, who do some great comedy boating videos over there as well.